Here I am in the train room. This is where I do my live streams from. There's the workbench over there, and you can see around me is the layout. I just finished this up here. I got it lit up. All I have to do now is the scenery. That is size sash and door. That is a Campbell's kit. Comes in 2 parts, and it was very extensive build, and I finally finished it up, and I'm on my next build right now, which is Quicks Coal. It's another Campbell's scale kit. You're missing out on all this if you're not watching my live streams or not watching my videos. You can learn a lot from these builds right here. So let me give you a closer look. There it is from the back end of it. Looking down at the lumber storage shed. And then you can see the detail of the door open with the lighting inside, and you can see underneath the chip storage, got a light underneath there, and the machine shop light. And let me give you a side view of it right here. Got a lot of work on the layout to do yet. So Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I have live streams at 7 p.m. And on my Tom's Trains channel, I do video premieres practically every day of stuff that I do on the layout and train shows and just about everything else. So if you're not watching, you're missing out on a lot. And I'm going to show you a little bit about YouTube right here. Train show vendors, business cards galore, Rumble Premium. I put it out as a premium content on Rumble. I just noticed YouTube increased their YouTube Premium to $15.99. On Rumble, it's $10, and you get all the premium content from every creator on Rumble that puts out premium content, not just crap from YouTube. So you get a lot for the $10 on Rumble, and you get a lot of extra benefits on there. If you're streaming, you get to stream 3 different schedules and a lot of good stuff. What do you get with Rumble Premium, you ask? Well, here it is from the knowledge base. What is Rumble Premium features and benefits? Go ad-free with Rumble Premium. Ad-free viewing, break free from ad breaks, watch your favorite videos of live streams without advertisements, premium content, gain access to upcoming exclusive premium content, verified badge, and other benefits. Verified badge and other benefits include extended creator tools with more to come. How much does it cost? Pay just $9.99 a month or save money by $99 a year subscription or $20 of savings. And if you get it around Christmas time, you can get it half off like I did. I only paid $50 for the year. You got to look for the deals over there. The same great Rumble experience, view, catalog, and your favorite channels and creators now with 0 advertising, no video pre-rolls, no banner ads, just pure content. Does premium work across all premium Rumble platforms? Yep, your subscription covers Rumble on web, iOS, Android, Apple TV, Amazon Fire TV, Roku, LG Smart TV, and Samsung Smart TV. No ads anywhere. What are the other creator benefits? Glad you asked. Here's what else you're getting. Say goodbye to Rumble Studio watermark. No branding in sight. And a little bit about the Rumble Studio. It's just like StreamYards. You can stream to multiple platforms and have as many as 9 guests on, all for free. Can't get that with StreamYards. What else do we have? Okay, all premium users get the exclusive badge in all live chats and other creators. Your channel gets a verified badge too. Creators can schedule live streams up to 8 days in advance, giving your fans something to look forward to. Plus, you get 3 live streaming slots, so why limit yourself? Got big files? No worries. Your upload limit is doubled. Enjoy up to 30 gigabytes for your videos on demand with up to 4K quality and a whopping 60 gigabytes for live streams. How do I sign up? Head on over to rumble.com/premium to sign up directly on the web. It's the quickest way to get started. Prefer the app? You can also sign up using your Rumble app on iOS, all them. But the easiest way to do it is go on my channel, hit the Rumble Premium thing, and that's it. And I get credit for it, and I get a little cut for bringing you over to Rumble Premium. If you are not a Rumble Premium user, when you're on a video, it'll look like this. I had to get it on incognito window to show you this. So here's my video, here's the ad over here on the side, and here's the Rumble Premium button right here, right there. Okay, boom. And you get this. Subscribe now. All right. And there you go. Premium Pro bundles, sign in to purchase. Okay, so all you have to do is sign in if you haven't done so already. So Rumble credits you, and if you've got videos, they pay you on day one. You don't have to have 1,000 subscribers to get friggin' paid like YouTube. Oh yeah, and another thing, on YouTube, when you give $5 to your favorite creator, you know how much YouTube takes out? They take out 30%. You don't see that on Rumble. If you want to pay your favorite creator on Rumble, they take out 3%. A gifted sub, 3.2%. That's a big difference than the 30% YouTube takes out. And don't forget, if you do it on your cell phone, Apple and Google takes out even more. So why are you still wasting your time on YouTube, giving them all your money instead of giving it to your creators? You could do a lot better on Rumble.